Hello everyone, welcome back to BlogHunch. In this video, we will learn how we can change the font family for the whole website. Now for this, you need to log into your dashboard of BlogHunch. Let's quickly view the website that we are going to change the font for. Now this is the current font that we are using. Now let's go back to dashboard. In the sidebar, you'll find an option of settings. Let's click on it. In the settings page, you'll find the button for design. And in the design page, you'll find an option to change the font. Let's quickly change it to something else. Let's save it. Let's go back to our website and check if the font has been updated or not.